Okay, today I'm here with my friend Tiffany.
Hello!
We're going to be making a marshmallow, some s'mores inside the microwave. As you see, we already made one, and the marshmallows get super duper big. So we're going to be making another one, just the same way like we did with the other one. All you need is some graham cracker, a little Hershey's chocolate. So put the Hershey's chocolate
and then add
on the bottom.
Well, actually, you add a little marshmallow first.
Yeah.
They look little right now, but they're not going to be so
So just put the chocolate on the bottom and the marshmallow on the top. Then you just put it inside. And you set it for exactly
1 minute.
1 minute.
Let's see how it explodes.
Big puff marshmallow.
Trust me, it looks nothing like that at first, but
And then it starts expanding.
And it's expanding slowly.
And it's getting bigger.
Oh, it's getting really.
We have
30
30 seconds left. As you can see, it's counting down.
27 now. Okay.
And it's getting really big.
It's much bigger in person than it is in the actual. It's actually much bigger in person than the actual
Picture you can see.
Camera. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1.
And then grab a graham cracker.
And then look at the graham cracker and put it in fast.
There it is. Before it starts to slow down.
And then it's
gigantic s'more.
Okay, let's put it on the same plate as the s'more.
And we'll do the comparison. And we'll get out a marshmallow so you can see from the difference of how it changed. And the chocolate melts really well.
Ooh, and it's like really
It's
stuck.
really...
Ooh, it's really stuck.
Gooey.
It's as gooey.
There you go.
Okay. And now we have 2 s'mores.
And we shall show you the comparison between a tiny marshmallow of what we got in...
And tiny marshmallow to now this. It's all squished.
There you go.
Yes, both different.
And that's how you make s'mores in a microwave. Thank you for joining us, and I hope to see you soon.